Hello, my name is Jana Vornishev, and I am Euroswiser in Estonia. With this presentation today, I would love to give you an overview about living and working in Estonia. Estonia is located in Northern Europe on the shores of the Baltic Sea. And our neighboring countries are Finland, Latvia, Sweden, and Russia. The capital of Estonia is Tallinn. You are warmly welcome to visit, as Tallinn Old Town is one of the best preserved medieval old towns in Europe. Estonia is one of the smallest countries in Europe, both by its size and population, being home only to 1.3 million people. The official language of our country is Estonian, but besides Estonian, English and Russian are the most spoken languages. The currency is the euro, and we have 4 seasons. So be prepared for nice snowy winters and warm summers. And now let's take a look in more detail why Estonia could be your next job destination. Estonia is the most advanced digital society in the world, with 99% of public services available online. We have e-taxis, e-health, e-school, e-parking, and our public services run efficiently and smoothly. For example, it takes less than 5 minutes to file your annual tax declaration online. Remote work possibilities, flexible working hours, short commute times give you more time and money to spend on things that matter to you. We value straightforward communication and low workplace hierarchy. So here ideas are more important than age. And in Estonia, you may reach your professional goals quickly in less time. Estonia is a dreamland for nature lovers. It will be very easy to find a park, a nature trail, or forest nearby. Estonia also has one of the cleanest air you will ever breathe, because even in the city, forests and wild areas cover over 50% of our country. While Estonian is the official language here, the vast majority of native Estonians also speak English. It is good to know that Estonian government provides free language courses for newly arrived foreigners to adapt to Estonia and become accustomed to local life more easily. And last but not least, Estonia has low corruption and crime rates. So if you are thinking about relocating with a family, Estonia is a great place to live and work. If you would like to relocate to Estonia, it is good to know that the International House of Estonia has prepared an easy step-by-step guide for you, where you can check which procedures you need to go through, depending on your citizenship and length of stay in Estonia. The registration procedures for EU citizens are quite simple. You need to apply for an ID code and register your address at your local government office. An ID code is required for registering your employment in the employment registry and other state services. When you will be relocating to the city of Tallinn, the capital area, International House of Estonia can help you with these registrations. Within a month of your stay, apply for an ID card and remember to register your tax residency. Non-EU citizens will also find a detailed roadmap for relocation on workinestonia.com website. The registered unemployment rate this year in Estonia has been around 7 to 8%. And the main sectors where we have large labor shortage are education and healthcare. We have the highest need for qualified specialists marked in orange color. Understandably, these are the sectors where in general very good Estonian language skills are required. It is not a full list, so if you are interested in a more detailed overview, please visit our labor demand parameters database. Just click on the Estonian map on the slide. Of course, there are job opportunities also in other sectors and for other professionals. So if you have questions about available jobs, please do not hesitate to contact us. When you would like to find a job in Estonia, the best way to start with your job search is to visit the job offers section on workinestonia.com website. And this website allows you to find English-speaking job offers, and it is good to know that this website also imports job offers from job portals CV.ee and CVkeskus.ee, which are the two biggest local job boards in Estonia. Use social media. Follow the companies you're interested in on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. And this way you may find information that isn't published anywhere else. And there are also many expat groups on Facebook you may consider joining, like expat jobs in Tallinn, expats in Tallinn, Estonia, and others. Contact recruitment agencies, for example, Manpower. They are official partners of EURES Estonia, and they will be glad to assist you with your job search. Company career pages are also important source of information. Be not afraid of sending out speculative applications. It is a common practice in Estonia. And the website of Estonian Unemployment Insurance Fund and also European Job Mobility Portal. They are also important job search channels, and at the same time provide a lot of practical information about living and working in Estonia. Most of the job offers are published in Estonian language. In some cases also in English or in Russian. So to apply for the jobs, mostly Estonian, Russian or English language skills are required. To apply for a job, you usually need a CV and a cover letter. Your CV should be no longer than 2 A4 pages. In general, you do not need to attach diplomas and certificates unless requested in the vacancy. You may also add references. This is not obligatory, but may increase your chances. Adding a photo is not compulsory. Around half of applications in Estonia include a photo on the CV, but if you decide to add the photo, it is suggested to be a formal business photo. The cover letter should include answers to the following questions. What are your goals in the new profession? What 3 to 5 positive traits can you highlight for your future employer? How do you link your previous work experience to the job on offer? Why would you like to work for this company? And why are you the best candidate for this role? In Estonia, it is most common to apply for a job through an online job database. It is advisable to use an electronic application, and this should be short and specific. After sending your CV and cover letter or motivational letter, an interview to a face-to-face interview for the selected candidates usually follows. When going to the job interview, always think positive. Prepare yourself before the interview to be confident and focused during the meeting. Do research about the company and the industry. Prepare to go to the interview with some selling points in mind, such as what makes you the best candidate for the position and the reasons you want the job. Be prepared to answer common questions and prepare some own questions for the employer. Bring a copy of your CV to every interview and be on time. Delay without a valid reason is not accepted. If you cannot make it on time, always inform the interviewer. A handshake is acceptable as a greeting, but remember to wait for the employer to offer the handshake first. You do not have to answer personal questions regarding children, marital status, health, religion. These are considered strictly private matters. Usually the candidate is informed at the end of the interview when a decision will be made, and almost all companies announce the recruitment results within 1 to 4 weeks of an interview. Working conditions. The law allows for a 4-month trial period. Most employment contracts are signed for an unspecified period. To sign a contract for a fixed term, the employer has to demonstrate the temporary nature of the work, such as a short-term increase in workload or seasonal work. Salaries are freely negotiable and usually paid monthly to the employee's bank account. You get paid the net amount. This year, the national minimum wage rate is 820 euros gross per month for a full-time position. These rates are updated every year, and the average gross salary based on the latest data was around 2,000 euros per month. Estonian tax system is quite simple. It is employer's responsibility to pay all the taxes on behalf of the employee. The employer will make all the necessary deductions from your gross salary and is also responsible for paying your social and health insurance contributions. We have a flat income tax rate of 20% in Estonia. A full-time workload is officially 40 hours a week, 8 hours a day. And by law, you are entitled to at least 28 calendar days of vacation in a calendar year. And more information can be found on tooelu.ee webpage. To sum it up, if you would like to work in Estonia, check out the job offers, write the CV and the cover letter, apply, contact the employer, contact us, EURES advisors, for additional support, find more information on International House of Estonia webpage, and here you will also find our contacts. Please do not hesitate to contact us if you have questions about relocating to Estonia. Thank you for your attention and welcome to Estonia.